So,
Uh,
what is the difference between partitioning and bucketing?
so partitioning is basically we physically divide the data that is being stored in
Mm-hmm.
our data lake or any part. We physically divide the data and it is being stored in folders. Basically, we see it as folders, and whenever we do a filter on that, we apply a filter condition on those column on which it has been partitioned. Let's say we have a data and there's a column called current date, and if we do a partitioning and store that data based on the current date column in S3, we will see that there's a folder created inside that bucket called current date, and inside that the data is stored. So we can see a physical representation in partitioning. But in bucketing, what happens is it's basically a logical representation in which the data is stored based on hashing or some function in which the data is logically stored, and whenever we do a query or something, so again it applies that function, and when it hits the hash value, it pulls the data from that bucket. Basically, we predefine how many buckets the data has to be stored, but in partitioning we can't do that part.